Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about how to instantly compose message in Odoo 19 using AI. So first, ensure that you have provided the API key of the ChatGPT. Here, you can find that we have installed the AI module. Afterwards, you just need to go to the configuration settings and ensure that you provided the API key. Once everything is done, you can just move on to the module that you want to just do an instant composing of message. I would like to consider CRM over here. Once everything is set, let me consider the global solution furniture over here. Here you can find the AI icon. As I just want to instantly compose the message, I'll be asking with the AI. And here you can choose that we have a write a follow-up answer. So let me choose that. So once everything is done, you can see that we'll be getting a message like a message over here, like the message is here, that is, hello Robin, I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to follow up on the recent discussion regarding the furniture solution we can provide for global solutions. So here, once it's given, you can send it as message, or you can just log it as a note. So if I just want to send it as message, you can see that I'll be getting a wizard over here. So if you want to just make any further rewriting with the content, you can easily just do so. So you can just select the content. So once the content is selected over here, you can find the AI icon. So this generate or transfer the content with AI, and let me click on that. And here you can see that this would allow you to rewrite the selected content. So again, the AI will be rewriting. So here you can find that. So if you want to just change with the previous text, you can just use this, or you can just use it into a clipboard, which means you can just copy with the clipboard. So if I'm just using it as use this, here you can see that now the message has been changed over here, and you can click on send, and this will obviously allow you to send a message. And once everything is done, you can find it over here. So that's how we instantly craft or compose a message using Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.